Yeah, bro. So okay, for today, I want to still show you some lessons on the key of that C. Um, some basic worship you need to start practicing on. Okay, based on the that source chord I showed you, and the source two chord I showed you. Okay, so at first, you know the chord now, like this, the key of C, right? So the song, I believe you know this song. So I believe you know this song. Light of the world, you step down into darkness. Open my eyes, let me see. I guess you know the song very well. Okay, so the song is very simple. So based on the chord shape I showed you, you can use that, to play from your source chord. You're going to sound better. Okay, light of the world, you step down. So what I'm playing, this chord I'm playing here now is a Re chord. I showed you this Re chord. From this is your Re to your La to your Re and your Va. Okay, so the first finger will hold the root there back to the first string, while your ring finger will go on the fourth string. That is your La. While your pinky go under the La, which is your Re. Okay. Then your index finger will go into the Va. Like I told you, note that forms the Re chord is a Va La Re, okay, or Re Va La, or Re La Va. Any of them, it's just on a different sequence and different interval. Okay, so you can play it anywhere on the fretboard as long as you know the note. Okay, but for this shape, this is how you hold it. It's just like play La in the key of F, because this is the key of F. So this is La in the key of F, okay? Okay, since it's a minor note, since Re is a minor note, so that's why you can hold it a minor shape also. Okay, hold it a minor shape also. So this is how it sounds. Your first chord is Do. Light of the world, you step down into darkness. Open my eyes, let me see. Now you go to your Va, the back chord I showed you. Okay, now come back again. Beauty that makes soft is a great adoring. Oh, for the life so very spent. Va, Va. Now you wait there and start. So here I am to watch, though. Here I am to song. Here I am, La. Now this one you play La. Now La I showed you. You my God. Now go to your Va. Okay. All together, all together, all together, wonderful to me. Do your Va. This is your four chord. Then now do. Okay, so that is very simple and you can understand. So it's just for you to start making use of those chords, and you can try to apply them in other keys, in the fretboard. Like this is the key of D. You can play the same. This is the key of A. You can play the same, okay? So keep working on that. If you don't understand, get back to me.